In Raleigh and Apex, North Carolina, there are hundreds of people who do not have access to basic healthcare services. But there's one organization that's working diligently to change that. NCIAP, People's Medical Care, is a non-profit organization that provides basic and specialist healthcare services to all, even to the uninsured patients. Their motto is to provide hassle-free healthcare for everyone for just a nominal fee of $55. Organization is run by the support and contribution from the members of the local community and businesses. But what makes these people support NCIP? Let's find out. We talked to our providers and volunteer doctors who work at the NCIP clinics, and we asked them why did they choose to serve at NCIP. Dr. Sani, what made you join NCIP?
So when this idea started almost 12 years ago, I was really drawn to it because it reminded me of the Hippocratic Oath that I took when I was in medical school many, many years ago. And two key messages of that oath are beneficence, help people who are most in need, and non-maleficence, which is do no harm. And in the simplest terms, it really means being able to offer help and care of people who are most in need. And that really is the essence of NCIP. So that's what drove me to be a part of this really wonderful organization.
I think this is the best way of using my retirement. God has been very kind to me, and I thought it is my turn to serve the people who have made me what I am today.
It's just kind of a dream come true. It's a full circle moment. It's an opportunity for me to give back and feel connected again to where everything started.
We approached our youth volunteer group that works passionately at the community events, showcasing NCIP and its capabilities. We asked them their reason of choosing this organization to volunteer at.
All the volunteering activities that the team has done over the last year has increased the foot traffic in both of the clinics that we have.
NCIP runs on donations, so we decided to ask some of our top donors about their opinion on this organization.
So we really love NCIP, the mission statement and what it stands for. The people involved, the people are really the biggest assets there. And being able to provide healthcare to individuals that need it, that are underinsured or uninsured, is one of the biggest things that a lot of these other big healthcare organizations aren't able to achieve, that NCIP has been able to do so successfully for this many number of years. And that's one of the biggest reasons why we like to contribute to it.
Yep, and we also have 2 young children, and we always think about how to teach them the importance of giving back to the community. It's really important that they learn that it's important to leave the world a better place than how they found it. And so we think that NCIAP is a wonderful organization for them to learn how to do that because it does such wonderful work for the community.
We've all been fortunate that this country has been very good to all of us. And this is how we need to give back, and we need to teach our children and our grandchildren, in our case, to give back.
I support this cause because indirectly I am providing and helping these individuals and also setting an example for my kids and the future generation to give back to the community well-being.
NCIP, in my opinion, is a movement, right? It is one of the many charities that we support, but the authenticity and the leadership that NCIP shows, and we're able to track where our money is being invested and used, makes a lot of difference to me in where the money gets invested.
With the cost escalation today, healthcare has become the most expensive item, and it's a basic necessity, and a lot of people are just not getting it. And this is our small effort in providing them that ability to be able to afford the basic necessity.
Our kids are already on that mission. They both believe in helping, people who are, in the lower strata of society who are not able to help themselves. So, and seeing us do this, really makes them very happy.
Our relationship with the People's Medical Clinic has been truly inspirational. It is great to see an organization that steps up and creates care and access that's affordable and available for so many in our community that need those services.
The reason that I support NCIAP is because I believe that everybody deserves access to affordable healthcare.
Lastly, we were curious to understand the vision of the leadership team.
So I feel we've all had our careers here. We've got our families here. We've all been successful here. So it's very natural, and as a duty, we need to serve the community here. And that got me attracted to serving NCIAP, which is a local organization.
So, Dr. Jindal, how can we help you with this NCIAP mission?
You can help me in many ways. Doctors, volunteer doctors, and volunteers in general. And above all, we do need a lot of donations. We need donors, sponsors, and because this clinic is run by a community, and the community has helped us a lot. And we have seen over 50,000 patients, and we are enjoying, and we want to continue many more clinics, and so that we can help more people.
I say thank you very much. Y gracias por ayudarme por la doctora que tenía mi presión alta.
Thank you.
God bless.
And that's what NCIAP is about. You can be a provider, a volunteer, or a donor. But everyone associated with this organization creates a legacy. A legacy of doing something good. A legacy of doing something powerful. A legacy of doing something substantial in life. So what's your legacy?